Okay, welcome back. We've made the body, we've made the wheel. We now have to bring them all together into an assembly drawing. So we're going to our little folded over piece of paper at the top, left click on it, and now previously we created a part. Now we want to create an assembly drawing. So if you look at here, it's got assembly. And we want to create a millimetre assembly drawing. So I'm just going to standard millimetre assembly drawing. And you'll get a screen that will look something like this. So I now need to bring the parts into it, which in our case is going to be the body and the wheels. So I'm going to click place, and there we are. And fortunately it's opened up the folder where I've got my car. So I'm going to place the body in first, and I'm going to click open and put it in there. And it's going to put it in. It's not quite the right way round, but if it still wants me to carry on putting in more car body, so I'm just going to right click and I'm going to use this rotate tool until I get it how I want it. So that is how I want it, left click, and I only want one car body, so I'm going to click escape. So unfortunately I've got two car bodies, one's the right way around and one isn't, so I'm just going to click on that one and press delete and it's gone, which is handy. So the next thing we need to do is bring in the wheel, so I'm going to click place and bring in a wheel and open. And here's my wheel. Again, that's not the right way around, but I'm just going to use the, I'm going to right click, and I can then use the rotate tool here to bring that component around. So I'm going to rotate it. That's not the right way. So that's not the right way. We'll get there eventually. And I've rotated it sufficiently so that I can do it. Now I need four wheels, so you just draw one wheel. You don't need to draw the same wheel four times. You just do one, and you can get as many as you want for the price of one wheel. So one left click, left click, left click, and left click, and I've got four wheels there, and click OK. Now what we need to do is put the wheels on the axles. Can be easier said than done. I could drag it on and try and put it on, but it will never be as accurate as we really want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pan to this wheel here, and it's important we do it in this sequence because otherwise it can muck up the drawing. But I'm going to go to joint, and I want to select the wheel first, and I'm going to joint. See, it's there, it's selecting the axle, so it's selected the axle and the outside face of my wheel. So there, it's got to be the outside face, and I'm going to select the outside face of that there, and it's going to do a little animation for me. It's going to show off, and I'm just going to click the tick, and that'll be on there. And if you look at it, I can't move that. Again, it's locked it onto that axle for me. So we want to do the same again here. Where's my pan tool? There we are. So you've got to start with the wheel first. So click on the wheel, and it looks, as long as it looks like that, and click on that there. I've done a little animation, click tick, and I can then orbit around, and I want to move that wheel. I'm going to click joint, and there to there. Done a little animation. It's really important you click that OK tick every time you positioned it. If you don't click that OK tick, it doesn't lock it into place, and all your components or parts start moving around. So joint again, outside edge there, and I'm going to click that one there. I click my tick, and I'm going to pan away from it, and that is the car completed. Thank you very much. I look forward to welcoming you back for the final bit where we're going to do some rendering. So